Yes, dear students, welcome to our channel. Here we have a question on trigonometry for class 10. You can see the question. Given that 16 cot A is equals to 12, find the values of sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A. Now see here, if it is given to you cot A, so we can write cot A is equal to 12 upon 16. अब cot A का ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल की साइड्स आपको पता होना चाहिए. cot A is equal to होता है आपका बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर 12 upon 16 means base and perpendicular is known to you, hypotenuse from this is not known. Now here what we have to determine? We have to determine sin A and plus cos A. Denominator, in denominator sin A minus cos A. So simply sin A is equal to, we know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Means we need to determine hypotenuse. अब hypotenuse निकालने के लिए आपको पाइथागोरस चाहिए. p square plus b square which is equal to h square. p square that is 16 square base is 12 square which is equal to h square. 16 square that is 256, 12 square means 144 is equal to hypotenuse square. Now you will have it is 400 which is equal to h square, means h is equal to under root 400. You can say it is 20. अब आपको 20 हाइपोटेन्यूज मिल गया. इट इज वेरी इजी नाउ टू डिटरमाइन परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. परपेंडिकुलर इज नोन टू बी दैट इज 16, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 20. सिमिलरली फॉर cos A, base is 12 and hypotenuse is 20. Now you can substitute this value in this given equation, sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A. So it is 16 upon 20 plus 12 upon 20, denominator में 16 upon 20 minus 12 upon 20. So we can have this 20, 16 plus 12, and in denominator 16 minus 12 upon 20, taking LCM at both the numerator as well as in denominator. Now this 20 to 20 is cancelled. We are having this 28 and in denominator 4. So 4 ones and 4 sevens. So answer is 7. So we can determine sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A, which is equal to 7. This is the final answer which we can have. So if we know the trigonometric ratios, then we can easily determine the given equations or given values. Okay, so this way we can do the questions by knowing the trigonometric ratios, as well as you always remember this Pythagoras theorem, which will be helpful to determine maybe perpendicular, maybe base, maybe hypotenuse. So this way we can go with the more questions which is based on the trigonometry, and you can do it very easily by just knowing the trigonometric ratios as well as identities which will be required to do it very easily. So